Hey guys, just making a first video now to show you about prime factorisation and also to test whether you guys can easily access this video and if it's helpful for you. Alright, so pop a heading up, prime factorisation. Okay, we've done this in class a number of times, but this is just to give you some practice if you're not sure or if you feel like you can't remember when it comes to studying for your next test in a couple of weeks' time. So, what we are doing with prime factorisation is that we're being given a number and we need to break that number down so that all of the factors that we have at the end are actually prime numbers themselves. Okay? So say if I gave you the number 60. Okay? What I normally do, what I ask you to do first is to list just to the side all of the factors. Okay? So we start with 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20. Probably could have chosen an easy number than this, but anyway, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10, 7 nothing, 8 nothing, 9 nothing, 10 we've already got, so we know we need to stop now. What you're going to do is choose a pair of these factors. Don't choose 1 and 60 because that's only just going to take you back to the start anyway. So let's go with 5 and 12. So we're going to have the branches of the tree come off like this. 5 times 12. 5 is already a prime number, so let's give that a tick. We don't need to do anything else with the 5. 12, however, has a number of factors. So all you need to do again is to choose a pair of the factors from 12. Let's say we do 3 and 4. 3 is a prime number already. Give that a little tick. 2 has more than 2 factors, so it's what we call the composite number, and we're going to break that down again. The factors are 4, 2 and 2. 2 are prime numbers as well. Tick, tick. Alright, we're pretty much done. The very most important step is of course to write your sentence at the end explaining your answer in full. So the way we do that for prime factorisation is 60 equals 5 times 3 times 2 times 2. And because I like things just so, and I'm a bit pedantic, I like you to write them in ascending order. So that would mean that the 2's belong at the start, then the 3's, then the 5. And that is a better answer than that one. Okay? Say if you chose a couple of different factors apart from 5 and 12 at the start. It should make no difference to the answer that you get down the bottom. So in that case, I'm actually going to leave it on the board and double check that the one that I do next is exactly the same as this one. So we've done 5 and 12. Let's say we do 4 and 15. Okay? Writing them down again. Both of these numbers are still composite numbers. Remember, our goal is to have them all as prime numbers as the factors that make up 15. So we break these down again, trying to get them to prime numbers. We know that 2 is a prime number, so we've got those already. Here we've got 3 and 15. 3 is a prime number. 15 is not, sorry, 3 and 5. 5 is a prime number. So all of our factors are prime numbers. Are they the same as these ones, which we did in a previous factor tree? Yes, they are. In a test, you would probably only need to do one factor tree. I know in class I've asked you to do one for each set of factors. That's just a practice. So if you were given this sort of question in an exam, just one factor tree is enough. Of course, if you wanted to check that you've done it correctly, you could do another set of factors to make sure that your answer is completely correct and that they match, but you're not expected to do more than one. Finally, before you move on to another question, it's always important to check. The way that we check that is to actually do this multiplication, and of course it should equal 60. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. Big tick.